To set up the Autotask integration in Augmentt, first open your Augmentt platform and navigate to Configuration and then Integrations. The Autotask integration will only show up under your partner level account, so be sure to select it in the drop-down. Now, click Connect in the Autotask box. You will need an API user key, API user secret, and a tracking ID. These can be found in Autotask, so switch to your Autotask portal. Once in Autotask, navigate to Admin and then Account Settings and Users. Expand Resources and Users, and then select Resources and Users. Click the drop-down arrow next to New and select New API User. Fill in the user information and then generate a username key and a password secret. Under API Tracking Identifier, select Custom and give it a name that you will remember that is associated with Augmentt. Be sure to copy the user key, secret key, and the tracking identifier. Select Save and Close, and then head back to the Augmentt portal. Paste your keys in the correct fields in Augmentt. Now that the integration is connected, we can map customers. Next to your Augmentt customer accounts, select the matching customer and Autotask. Now, click on the Ticketing tab and complete the mapping process for your tickets. Once this is complete, your Autotask integration is ready to be used.
That's my minute. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.